Hi, my name is Tomasz and you're watching Casual DIY channel. In today's video, just a Christmas message from me to you. So now, the few days before Christmas, we are rushing around, getting ready for that special moment, buying the last gifts for our closest. And in all this, I just wanted to stop for a second and wish you a Merry Christmas. I also want to wish you a fantastic time with your close ones, with your family, with your loved ones in this special time. There's many things I would like to wish you as well, but I think there's only one very important thing that I want to wish you and your families this holiday season, this Christmas, is good health. Without that, we've got nothing. But hey, I also want to wish you fantastic presents and gifts under the Christmas tree. I'm hoping you're gonna get what you really dreamed of, maybe some new cool tools for your workshop. Hey, only Santa knows that. I just wanted to say thank you, and I really appreciate every single one of you that watch my videos and are part of my small community. It really means a lot to me that some of you managed to stick with my channel for years now, and I really do appreciate that, and I just wanted to say thank you for being with me. This year was really crazy for us. We moved from UK to Poland. We've bought a new house. I've got a new fantastic large workshop. Yes, there's still loads to do in here. Most of the setup is all temporary, but I'm ever so grateful for what I've got for us as a family, what we managed to achieve so far. And I'm really pleased and glad that you came with us, with me, on this journey, and I hope you're gonna stay with me for years to come, so we can challenge ourselves and make a new crazy project or really simple ones. The list of my projects is ever so massive, so there's definitely a lot of topics coming to this channel, so don't be afraid. There's plenty of content in the pipeline. I'm also trying to listen to your comments and your advice of what you want to see on this channel, what projects you want to see, and I hope I'm more or less covering some of them to the best of my abilities. Now, this Christmas is actually the first Christmas that we're gonna spend in our new house, and we want to make it special. We hope it will be decorated really nicely, and the kids, it's very important for us that the kids will have a fantastic time this Christmas and that they will actually feel the Christmas spirit. At the minute there is no snow outside, although I've seen the projections and there is a quite high probability that will be tons of snow from next week, so that will definitely add it to the magic. Not sure if I want to wish you a white Christmas. Not everybody likes it, so I will reserve that for myself. So as you know, I am Polish, and for us the most important day, I would say, is the 24th, where at the first star that appears on the sky, we'll then start our main supper with 12 dishes. Yes, you heard it, 12 dishes. So yes, I'm gonna be very busy cooking in the next few days. But hey, it's just what makes it really special time and unique to the whole year. So you're probably curious, what are those 12 dishes? Well, as start, we're gonna have a soup, and in my local area, in my town, in my family, we always had wild mushroom soup, whereas where my wife comes from her area, they always had beetroot soup. So to honor both of the sides of Poland, we're actually gonna have both mushroom soup and beetroot soup. Next, we're gonna have dumplings. two kinds. Again, in my local area, in my family, we always had dumplings with sour cabbage and wild mushrooms. Whereas where my wife comes from, the dumplings they had are with white cheese and potatoes. So over here, we're gonna have both. Now on the 24th, we actually, religious reasons, we don't eat meat. So we're gonna have fish. And the fish we always eat on Christmas Eve is carp. It can come in different types, different varieties, but we'll stick to the tradition, which will be fried carp. And I know some of you will say, oh my God, that must be horrible. You've not tried it, it's really nice, I can assure you. Obviously with that we're gonna have potatoes, and with the fish and the potatoes we'll have sour cabbage and beans. Now I'm pretty certain the picture you've got of that in your head is totally wrong to how it looks in reality. So what I'm gonna do this Christmas, especially for you, I'm gonna take a photo of each dish we're gonna have Christmas Eve, and I'm gonna post it on my Facebook, Instagram. Hopefully I'm gonna do a post on YouTube as well so you can see it. And I'll try to put some names underneath each dish so you know exactly what that is, and you'll have a better understanding of my culture. Next dish, I actually don't know the translation of that. In Polish it's krokiety, and basically what it is, it's like a pancake with a filling. The filling is, again, sour cabbage, wild mushrooms and few herbs and spices, and you basically roll it, put it in egg, breadcrumbs and fry that. It's absolutely fantastic, it's gorgeous, and I'm going to take a photo for you of that as well. And as a drink that goes with this supper is a drink made from dried fruit. It does have a very unique taste and smell. It's nice and sweet, although we don't really make it any other time of the year. It's basically for Christmas and that's it. It's just very original, let's say. And at the end we would have something that in my area we'll call makiełki, okay, and that's basically a pasta with poppy seeds, with honey and with raisins. I know it could be sounding to absolutely bizarre, but it really comes together. It's really nice. Now the poppy seeds, obviously they're not just dried poppy seeds, they are cooked and all that. I actually don't know the details because I buy ready-made pack of them, so yeah, I've just added to pasta and the rest of the ingredients. And there's a bit of a backstory with it, right, with this dish, with makiełki, as you need to eat it and you need to eat as much as you can. Now the problem is, it's at the end. So you already had your full supper, all those 12 dishes, and now you've got the dessert in a way, which is makiełki. Now, why do you need to eat as much as possible? As the more you eat, the more money you'll have next year. I know it's a superstition, but it's one of the things that we've got in our family, and it's quite funny to an extent, but nobody dares not to eat it. Everybody tries at least a little bit, just in case. All that happens on the evening on the 24th in my family in Poland, and from family to family, even our neighbours may have a little bit different dishes, but the whole setup is more or less similar. So now you're probably thinking, bloody hell, those Polish people are absolutely bonkers. And probably we are a little bit. But hey, all that food makes this time ever so special and unique. And I also want to wish you that as well, that this time is very special to you, to your family, and to your closest ones. As we all should forget all the problems and all the issues we may have during the whole year. And I know that a lot of us went through really hard times this year, and it's nice to forget about all those bad things, at least in those few days. So I wish you that all the problems you may had and still have, they will slightly, maybe not disappear, but fade away, and you'll be able to take on board all the happiness of this period and you know, just enjoy it. Well, hey guys, again, Merry Christmas. Have a fantastic time this holiday season, and I wish you all the best to you and your families. From me, that's all, and I hope to see you on my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for your time. Take care. Have a wonderful time.